Come on in here, get skinny a bit more. Oh, look at that light bread. Oh, it's moist. Oh, the smell of the banana coming out of there is incredible. Come on, you know it's got to be done. Oh, it's just so soft. Oh, looky here. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're making oatmeal banana bread. A cracking recipe. If you like banana bread and you like oatmeal, stick them both together. Oatmeal banana bread. And it starts with peeling some bananas. Now, the riper the banana, the better for this. These are only just ripe, but you know, we could do with some really ripe ones. Ones that are going brown and black. They're perfect for this job, you know. What we need to be doing is mashing those bananas. So either slice them or mash them, whichever way is the easiest. Just give them a mashing in there. Now what we are going to do is just leave that about 10 minutes after we've mashed it, just to let it start oxidizing and going brown. That's going to give us a better colour inside our oatmeal banana bread. The riper these things are and left after you mash it, you'll get a good colour in your bread. So while that's oxidizing, we might as well throw our dry ingredients together, which is some all-purpose flour. And we're going in there with baking soda, not baking powder. So there we go. And now that baking soda is going to react with the fruit and the sour cream. Now you can use yogurt in this as well, but I've gone for sour cream today because I have quite a lot of it. I just want a little stir in there. Chuck our oats in. I'm using rolled oats. Good old-fashioned rolled oats. Stir that through. Little bit of cinnamon. Stir that through. Now if you don't like cinnamon, use a different spice, you know, use nutmeg, anything like that. And we're going in there with some salt. And that is our dry mix right there. Fabulous. One side. So our mashed banana is starting to turn colour, but do we have time to wait? So today I'm using a 9" by 4.5" loaf tin, and I've got some loaf liners. So I'm using loaf liners. If you don't have a liner, you have to use parchment paper. But these liners are fantastic. Are we going to wait? No, we're not. In there with a little bit of vanilla. In there with our melted butter. In there with some brown sugar. In there with our eggs. In there with our sour cream. Mix up. That's our wet ingredients. Good old mixing in there. So there we go. Gently fold in your dry ingredients. take yourself a tray, get your little tin and put your batter in there. Now you can fold in some walnuts if you so wish, or you can just put them over the top like that, and that's what we're going to do. Some little crushed walnuts on the top. So I'm using the HYSapientia air fryer oven today. I've got it at 160. I'm preheating, and then we're just going to bob this straight in that preheated oven. We're going to cook it for about 40 to 50 minutes. Stick a skewer in. If it comes out clean, our loaf is cooked. So in it goes. Let it do its thing, and we will check it in about 40 minutes. Okay, that's our time up. We need to be getting that out and giving it a test with the skewer. Oh, you're kidding me. Okay, let's get our skewer in here. All clean. All clean. Cooked. That is absolutely perfect. Okay, let's turn that off. Get rid of that noise. What we have to do is just leave it to cool down, because it is a loaf, don't forget. You know, we're not going to just try and take that out and cut into it. Let it cool down, and then we will cut a slice and have some with some butter. Fantastic. So clean as a whistle. Okay, we're going to just take that off there, and we're going to put that straight on that rack. We're going to let it have the air circulate around it to cool it down a little minute, probably about another 5 minutes, and we'll take that out of there. Let's try and get this out of there. It should come out. Oh yes, please. That smells incredible. Still just a little bit too warm to cut, so we'll just leave it a little minute, and then we're going to cut it. Oh, and don't eat all the nuts. That is fabulous. Well, I think it's time to cut some. Come on. Just look at, oh, the smell. Banana cake. Unbelievable. Oh, we got a nice dark cake there, look. Oh, that's lovely. That really is lovely. Come on, in here. Oh, looky there. Come on in here, get skinny a bit more. Oh, look at that light bread. That smells absolutely incredible. That really does. Wow. Oh, looky in there. Oh, it's moist. Oh, the smell of the banana coming out of there is incredible. Come on, you know it's got to be done. Oh, it's just so soft. Oh, looky here. Come on. In we go. Oh, we got to take a bit of that crusty top with the walnuts. That is absolutely fantastic. That really is high quality. Oh, you got that banana smell. You got the oats in there. It's so soft, it's moist. Wow. That is oatmeal banana bread made. Oh. Absolutely incredible. Oh dear, this is going to have to be put out of the way, else that's going to be eaten with a cup of tea. It is delicious. Wow. And those walnuts on the top of there for that extra crunch. That is another level. Superb. If you like what we're doing, it's a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Don't forget to share with your friends. Tell everybody about this. This is high class. That is oatmeal and banana bread made. Catch you in the next video.